Proverbs 31 women exemplify strength, wisdom, and a commitment to building communities that thrive both socially and environmentally. In the realm of architecture, these modern women are leading the charge in sustainable design, creating buildings that not only serve their residents, but also respect the planet. With a deep understanding of materials and techniques that minimize ecological footprints, they employ innovations such as green roofs, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems. Their designs are rooted in functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability, reflecting the diverse cultures and values they represent. These women, ranging from American to African and Latin backgrounds, harness their creative energies to ensure that their architectural solutions promote health and well-being for all. By prioritizing community engagement, they involve residents in the design process, ensuring that the spaces they create meet the unique needs of each population. The Proverbs 31 woman is not just a builder. She is a visionary who understands that true wealth lies in nurturing our environment and uplifting those around us, creating a legacy of sustainability and empowerment for future generations.